Okay, welcome back to the second session of on our Zoom meeting. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers. And today we are talking about technology, and I think we all are enjoying because we are used to using technology. We know nuts and bolts about technology nowadays, and we cannot imagine our life without using technology. Can you imagine your life without technology?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So
But
without
nowadays,
No,
technology,
sir, not possible right now.
I would not contact with Sujit.
Because indirectly or directly,
Yeah, I would not contact with the Sujit Kolkata without technology. I would not contact with the madam from Kerala, Ila Rani. So this is
right,
the use of
right.
technology. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you. A few minutes ago, I told you I just was watching the videos of Martin Luther King, and really I was captivated by his speech. I heard many times, but today just I was, because of that poetry, I was captivated by him. So because it is possible
Sir,
because of technology.
sir,
Other
you very much like study reading books, novels, poems, right?
yeah, that's my part of life because I want
Yes,
to
yes,
speak. But what
right.
would I speak if I don't listen? If I don't watch? If I don't read, then what would I speak? Yes,
yes, sir.
so if you want to
Yes,
speak,
sir.
then you have to listen. You have to read. You have to observe people. That's why. Okay, so now without wasting our time, let's go to Sheila. She is waiting for her turn, and Sheila is ready, I think, to talk about technology. So I request Sheila, please start your speech.
Hello, sir, and hello, everyone. How are you, everyone? Actually, this is our unlock one. Last 3 days, I'm not. I was unable to connect this meeting. So last 3 days, I feel like I am missing something in my daily life. I'm very familiar of this Zoom meeting. Every day I'm waiting for 9 p.m. Today I choose this. Today I choose last topic. How our life is easy because of this technology. Before that, I want to tell you, sir, I'm feeling very happy because my internet connection also look like friendly with me. Last 3 days, it was not because of internet connection. I'm not connected with Zoom meeting. And thank you, sir, for sending me daily mail of Zoom meetings topic. So now I start. My thought. Now I share my thoughts with you. I think technology has also had a great positive effect on our life. Yes, no doubt. It's our life is more easy because of this technology. But personally, I feel that the technology is equal to our breath because in this lockdown period we give lots of importance to doctor, nurses, police, but no one appreciate technical person, no one appreciate technology. Because of this technology, we know lots of different things. And also I feel that this world is looks like a small village because of this technology. We Our life is easy, comfortable. People are familiar with the technology, and what and nowadays everyone use gadgets. I told you how my life is easy. How my life is easy because of this technology. Nowadays, technology is my friend. Most of my time, most of my time. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, carry on. We
Okay.
listen you. We listen you.
Okay, okay. Most of my time I spend on computer and with my mobile. Uh, Sometimes I don't need anyone with me. If my mobile is with me, then I will spend whole day without talking no one, because on that mobile there are latest application are available. By using that application we catch lots of different knowledge on different topics, and this lockdown period really I appreciate this technology. Because of this technology our life is very easy in this lockdown period, because everyone, and I also use this technology for buying groceries online, for daily grocery, vegetables, or some if I want to do some shopping, then I use this technology. No doubt we never follow means we never follow latest technology, but we latest technology achievement, but we know which type of technology, or which things, what kind of things might be most useful in our life. There are different advantages is present, and there are different disadvantages is also there. But how you look for this look on this technology is totally depend upon you. If you use it for good purpose, then it is very useful for you. But if you use it for wrong purpose, then it gives us lots of disadvantages. That's all, sir.
Hmm. So after listening,
Actually, I'm talking suddenly.
no
I'm
problem.
talking suddenly. Uh,
That's
that's why I'm not
no, no, that's good.
sharing my proper thoughts.
No, no, no. But after listening you, I can say that in the school now we have to say we have four basic needs: air, water, food, and technology.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir. Correct.
Not three basic
Absolutely right.
needs. Yeah.
Correct, sir.
Yes, Sagar Patil, what
Hello.
do you think?
Yes, sir, definitely.
100% true, sir.
What you say is correct, and that at that extent, technology has had made impact on women's life now.
Hmm. So not need. It's a basic need now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Nowadays there are four needed to life. Uh,
Without technology,
a
we can't do
house.
anything now.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's a part of our life. Now I request Nageshwar to give a feedback speech to Sheila.
Yeah, thank you, sir. She covered all these from starting to ending. How she connected with us from with the technology, and how she is using technology to learn like speaking English and other things also. She spends time on mail and computer. So it is very essential, sir. She taught all things. And another thing, her voice and pronunciation, uh, some gap are there. By practice, will come very nice. So I'm going to tell about one thing. So we are all using technology and the mobiles, laptops for us, but it is not good for our health. So that's why I want to tell you that there is one tip for all of us. It will help us, I think, 90, 60, 30. So 90 means 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. When we wake up in the morning, just we don't use the mobile for 1.5 hours. It will be better. It will be better for us. And 60 means one hour means 60 minutes, 1 hour after coming into our home, our office, our school, anything else. we don't use it for 1 hour. We spend with our family and talk with our family and play with our children. Uh, and 30 minutes, minutes after use the mobile phone before go to bed. So using for hours, so we get some stress on our mind and body. Our body wants to need some rest. So that's why I'm saying this for a health purpose. Thank you very much.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, from tomorrow we are going to start something new. So welcome speech and thankful speech. In the beginning, we will start with the welcome speech. And Sri Vani will start welcome speech from tomorrow. And tomorrow, thankful
Okay,
speech
sir.
will make Sagar Patil. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
have added something new again. So is it good?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good.
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Good.
it is so
Super.
interesting.
Okay. So let's go to Sahil.
Yes,
Yeah, Sahil.
Sahil Joshi, yeah, Dr.
Yeah,
Sahil.
Sahil Joshi. Yeah. No, Sahil Joshi. Dr.
Yeah,
Joshi is not available. Sorry, Dr. Sai is not available today.
Sahil,
Yeah.
right.
Sahil Joshi available. Yes.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, all friend.
Good evening.
My thinking, it is less the work and finish the work at a short time. Human being who is done the right way, or you can say the proper way, which is called technology. My thinking, and in daily life like TV, mobile, AC, cooler, and also it's little to little spoon. You can too easy to eating first. Second is in my daily life I have normally phone used to call, receive, and call, uh, again call, and sometime of use Facebook, WhatsApp. It's easy, and in because my thinking, life is incompleted without a friend, so I am a little time to for them. I am in I watch the YouTube for English conversation clip, and daily also movies, English movies, and to because in my field is so many technology lunch, so I see the video and improve my skills, because I am a software engineer, so I know that nothing be done without any a computer. So uh, he is my friend and I am his friend. So up to 50 to 60 years I am working, and daily routine this is, and daily routine is means without, because it first is you can e-commerce like so many human being is staying in home, then all our product are coming to her, and it easy to bill payment, easy to workshop, easy to means simple say in less the manpower, and the finish the work at the time of a short time. This is the technology, my thinking. That's it, sir.
Okay. So really wonderful. And let me inform you tomorrow's topic. Today we are going to talk. We are talking about technology, and tomorrow we are going to talk about devices. Okay.
Devices,
So I
which
want to
type
give
of
you one hint.
devices?
Can you give me the name of that device? It is made by Amazon, and nowadays it comes with the television also.
Prime Video
Yes,
device.
sir.
Amazon
Yes, sir.
Prime Video.
What?
No, sir. This is Amazon also.
Sorry.
Google
Alexa.
device.
Amazon stick.
Okay.
Alexa, sir.
Alexa,
Alexa.
Google,
Okay. I
Google.
just wanted to give one more hint. It looks like speaker. Alexa.
Yes,
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 sir.
that is Alexa, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, yes, sir.
So tomorrow we are going to talk about some devices. I will send you an email, Alexa, then other devices.
Google device.
Which one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Google device, sir.
Yeah, Google device. So tomorrow we are going to collect these all things. So is it interesting idea?
Yes, sir.
Technology
More
and
deeply,
science.
sir. More
Definitely.
connected to technology.
Okay.